Welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove green background from this video. You can use the same trick to remove green background from any video in Premiere Pro. Go to Effect while the video is open in your timeline. Search for Ultra key. Drag and drop it on the video. If Effect is not open by default, go to Windows and then Effect. Go to Effect Controls and click on the video to open the controls of the effects. Click on the eyedrop tool here and sample the color of the green background. Perfect. Premiere Pro has done a fantastic job by removing the background. Sometimes the green background may be removed, but there will still be highlights and shadows remain. To remove those shadows and highlights, change composite to alpha channel. To me, I'm happy with how the background has been removed. If your case is different, use these drop down menus to remove the remaining shadows, highlights and noises. When you are done, change the alpha channel to composite. There you go. You can set the background to any image or video of your choice.